Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to use 5 products that are essential for any makeup routine, whether you're a beginner or experienced. No makeup look is complete without them. First product, an eyebrow filler from Shein, and the next one is LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then we have a blush from AILF Cosmetics. The next product is Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 20. Enjoy the view. Finally, I use Essence Lashes Mascara for volume. Let's start the makeup. I am applying the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige 973 under my eyes to cover dark circles and on my dark areas on my face, including some acne spots. I prefer minimal makeup, so I am using just the concealer instead of foundation. I blend it with a beauty blender, but you can use a brush if you prefer. This concealer covers everything and gives you a clear canvas. Next, I am applying the e.l.f. Glow Beauty Wand Blush in Berry Radiant shade on my cheeks, on my nose and chin for a pink glow. This shade works wonderfully for Indian and Pakistani skin tone, and I love this shade. You can see guys how it melts in my skin. Now I am filling my eyebrows from Shein eyebrow kit. As you can see, even if you don't apply anything else, just doing your eyebrows with any filler makes a bigger difference. Now I'm applying the Maybelline Ink Crayon in the shade 20. Enjoy the view. It's great for all skin types, whether you have fair, brown, Indian or Pakistani skin. This is the second one I have bought because I loved it so much. And you can see how it looks. Now I will curl my lashes and apply the Essence Volume Mascara. You can see how it adds volume to my lashes, making a noticeable difference. Some people said you don't need to apply mascara on your lower lashes, but guys, you can see the clear difference how it enhances your eyes and your lashes. Here's the final look. These 5 products really transform my face. If you want, you can add a setting powder or spray, but these products are the essentials. No makeup look is complete without them. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, please ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.